Hello everyone, and in this video I'll show you how you can fix those blank white icons on your desktop. This has a very easy fix. What you need to do is open up your start menu and right here run, and right here app data, press enter, go into local right here, and we'll go into view. On folder options right here, we'll click on hidden items. Now we can see the hidden items, and we'll scroll down to the bottom and we'll delete this icon cache.db file. And now we'll remove it from our recycle bin. We'll open up our task manager and we'll click restart on our Windows Explorer, and that should fix the issue. And here you can see all of these files, all of these games had their icons back, and that fixed my issue. So there you have it guys, it was just that easy. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.